first way of using the present simple is future, timetables, or schedules. So schedule is like a British say schedule. Schedule is something that you put on agenda, you have the plan, you have something to do this week, that week, next week, okay? So, for example, your bus arrives at 7 a.m. So don't be late for this bus. Okay, so S, it's the third person singular. Arrives. The next example, they fly to the USA on Friday. Okay, this is their flight and they have to be in the US. They fly to the US on Friday. And the final example, our classes start this week. Don't miss your boat. I will be in your classes. Your classes start this week.